Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel GSI PUC Mysuru. This is the next session of the fourth chapter, Passive Electronic Components. In the last few sessions, we discussed the different types of resistors. That is, the resistors are classified into two types. One is the fixed type of resistors and the variable type of resistors. And we also studied different types of fixed resistors as well as variable resistor. In today's session, we will be dealing with the color coding of resistors. So, color coding of resistors. In resistors, the size of the resistors will be very small and it will be very much difficult in order to print the resistance value on the resistors. So, in order to indicate the resistance of a given resistor, the number of bands or paint will be applied on the resistor and that will be called as the color bands. There are 4 color band resistors as well as 5 color band resistors. Each color band represents different parameter like numericals, tolerance and multiplier, and each of these resistors will be painted with few colored lines, that is the color bands, which indicates its resistance value. So, in today's session we will be studying how to calculate the resistance value of the given resistor with the help of the color band what is given. For that we have to know the color coding table. So, what is this color coding table? Color coding table is nothing but a table with the help of which we can easily identify the resistance value of the given resistors. So, resistors can either be, as I told you, resistors can either be 4 band resistors or the 5 band resistor. This is one resistor. If I am going to consider this as a single 4 band resistor, one band will be present here, third band, and this will be the fourth band. Similarly, for the 5 band resistor, five bands will be presenting this. So, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4 band, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 bands. So, these resistors will be having 4 bands or 5 bands which indicates the resistance value of that particular resistor. So, this is a 4 band resistor, whereas this is a 5 band resistor. And coming to the table of this color coding table, that is, this is a color column. This is column A, B, C, multiplier and tolerance. So, the color coding table will be having these many number of columns: color, A, B, C, multiplier and tolerance. These can be considered as the column A. These can be considered as column A. These can be considered, this and this can be considered as column B. This as C. This and this can be considered as multiplier. These are the multipliers. This and this colors are nothing but the tolerance. Coming to the colors, there is a pattern through which we will be able to remember the colors in the same manner. So, the very first color is black, next comes the brown, next comes the red color. First is black, then comes brown, red, then comes orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white, then comes gold, silver and no color. So these are the colors what will be painted on the resistors to indicate its resistance value. Here A, B, C are nothing but the numericals which corresponds to the resistors, and this is the multiplier and the tolerance. Here I have written the colors in the order and you have to maintain the same order while writing the color code table. In order to remember this order, we are having one sentence, that is B.B. Roy of Great Britain had very good wife. B.B. Roy of Great Britain had very good wife. So here each and every capital letters will indicate a different color. The very first B is nothing but the black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey and white. After white we will be having gold, silver and no color. A, B, C are nothing but the numericals corresponding to the resistors. So the numericals will start from 0 and it will end up to 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The same thing will be in the second column, that is the column B, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and even C will be having the same thing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And in the multiplier here we will be having in multiples of 10, this is into 1, multiple 10, 100, 1 kilo, 10 kilo, 100 kilo, 1 mega into 10 mega. And for the gold, white will not be having, white and grey will not be having the tolerance. Gold will be having tolerance value, sorry, multiplier value of 0.1 and silver will be having 0.01. So these are the multiplier values. Coming to the tolerance value, black will not be having any kind of tolerance. Brown is having a tolerance of plus or minus 1%. Next, red is having a tolerance of plus or minus 2%. And orange and yellow is not having any tolerance value, whereas green is having a tolerance value of plus or minus 0.5%. Then plus or minus 0.25% is the tolerance value of blue, and for violet it is plus or minus 0.1%, and for grey it is plus or minus 0.05%. Coming to the tolerance value of gold, it is plus or minus 5%, for silver it is plus or minus 10%, and for no color it is plus or minus 20%. So these are the tolerance values of different colors, and this is the color coding table with the help of which we will be able to find the resistance value of the given resistor. With the help of this color coding table, we have to find out the resistance value of the given resistor. For that, we are going to use a formula for a 4-band resistor and a 5-band resistor. For a 4-band resistor, the formula will be like this. For 4-band, the resistance R will be equal to 10 into A plus B. 10 must be multiplied with A plus B into multiplier plus or minus tolerance. So this is the formula what we are going to use in order to identify the resistance value of the given resistor. Similarly, for 5-band resistors, we are having a formula like this. R is equal to 100 into A plus 10 into B plus C into multiplier plus or minus tolerance. So this is the formula in order to find out the resistance of a given resistor which is having 5 bands. So now let us try to understand these formulas, or let us try to understand this color coding table by solving some of the problems, that is by solving the resistance value of the given resistor or by finding the resistance value of a given resistor. So let us begin with the very first problem. Here the first problem is, consider a carbon resistor having 4 color bands: blue, grey, orange and red. Blue, grey, orange and red. So this is a 4 band resistor where only 4 different bands are given. So 4 bands in the head, this is the very first band, that is A. Grey is the second band, that is B. So the third band in the 4 band resistor is nothing but a multiplier, and the fourth band is a tolerance. So orange is a multiplier, whereas red is a tolerance. So you have to use this formula R is equal to 10 into A plus B into multiplier plus or minus tolerance. So where A and B are nothing but the numerical values corresponding to the resistors, which can be easily found out using this color coding table. So the resistance value R is equal to, this 10 will be retained as it is, and the A value for blue color. For the blue color, A value is equal to 6, the numerical value is 6, 10 into 6 plus grey value for B is equal to 8, and the multiplier corresponding to orange color, the multiplier corresponding to orange color is 1K into 1K plus or minus the tolerance value for red color is equal to plus or minus 2%. You have to write that, plus or minus 2%. So now let us simplify this. R is equal to 10 into 6 is equal to 60 plus 8 into 1 kilo plus or minus 2%. 60 plus 8 is 68. 68 into 1 kilo ohms is equal to 68 kilo ohms. So 68 kilo plus or minus 2%. That is 68 kilo ohms plus or minus 2%. So the resistance value of a resistor which is having a color code of blue, grey, orange and red is equal to 68 kilo ohms plus or minus 2%. So problems are very simple. You can easily identify the resistance value of the given resistor with the help of the color code table. Now let us solve one more problem on this. Another resistor is having a color code of brown, black, orange and silver. Brown, black, orange and silver. So we have to find out the resistance value of the resistor which is having this color. Here 4 colors are given, so I have to consider it as a 4 band resistor. So in order to find out the resistance value of a given resistor for 4 bands, I can use this formula. So here brown is nothing but the first band which corresponds to the numerical A. Black is the second color band which corresponds to the numerical value B. And orange is nothing but the third band of the 4 band resistor. So third band 1, 2, 3. Third band is nothing but a multiplier and fourth band is a tolerance. So orange is a multiplier whereas silver is her tolerance. So accordingly we have to find out the A, B, multiplier and tolerance value and calculate the resistance value of this resistor. So the formula is 10 into A plus B. 10 into the value of A corresponding to brown, the value of A corresponding to brown is equal to 1. 10 into 1 plus the value of B corresponding to black color is equal to 0. So plus 0. And the value of multiplier corresponding to orange. Here I am having orange and the multiplier value is equal to 1 kilo. So into 1 kilo plus or minus the tolerance value of silver is equal to plus or minus 10%. So let us simplify this. R is equal to 10 into 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 10 plus 0 is equal to 10 into 1 kilo is equal to 10 kilo ohm plus or minus 10%. So, the resistance value of a resistor which is having a color code of brown, black, orange and silver is equal to 10 kilo ohm plus or minus 10%. Clear? Now, we will move on to the next problem. Now, a resistor is having a color code of green, blue, red and gold. Green, blue, red and gold. Again, this is a 4-band resistor. So, I have to use this same formula 10 into A plus B into multiplier plus or minus tolerance value. So, this is A, B, this is multiplier and this is tolerance value. So, I can use this formula R is equal to 10 into the value of A corresponding to green color is equal to 5 into 5 plus the value of B corresponding to blue color is equal to 6 and the multiplier corresponding to red is equal to 100 plus or minus for gold the tolerance value is equal to 5%. So, you have to simplify this. 10 into 5 is equal to 50, 50 plus 6 is equal to 56. 56 into 100 plus or minus 5%. So, this can be written as 5600 ohms plus or minus 5%, or this can be even written as 5.6 kilo ohms plus or minus 5%. 5.6 into 1000, kilo is nothing but 1000. So, 5.6 into 1000 gives me the same value, that is 5600 ohms plus or minus 5%. So, the resistance value of a resistor which is having a color code of green, blue, red and gold is equal to 5.6 kilo ohms plus or minus 5%. Clear? Sometimes the resistance value will be given and we have to find out the color code of that resistors. So, now let us solve some of the problems where the resistance value will be given and we have to find out the color code of those resistors. Here the problem is, write the color codes of 5-band color resistors with the following resistance value. Here the resistors will be having 5 bands and for these resistors you have to find out that is the resistance value will be given and you have to find out the color codes. So, the very first problem is 10 kilo ohm plus or minus 2%. 10 kilo ohm plus or minus 2%. So, this is a 5-band resistor. 5-band resistor anta helidaga I have to use this formula R is equal to 100 into A plus 10 into B plus C into multiplier plus or minus tolerance. So, R is equal to, here I am having 10 kilo. 10 kilo is nothing but 10 into 10 to the power of 3, which is nothing but 10 followed by 3 zeros, that is 10,000 ohms plus or minus 2%. So, this is the resistance value what is given. For this resistance value you have to find out the color code. So, the formula is this, R is equal to 100 into the very first digit is nothing but 1. So, the color corresponding to 1, this is corresponding to 1 is equal to brown. So, let me first split this, 100 into 1 plus 10 into 0 plus 0. Why I am taking it as 0, 10 into 0? Because 100 into 1 is equal to 100. 100 plus, if I am going to take 1 over here, 10 into 1 is equal to 10. Sorry, 10 into 1 is equal to 10. That 10 must be added with 100. Then I will be getting 110. But here I am having only 10,000, 1 followed by 4 zeros. So, 100 into 1 plus 0 plus 0. Then the multiplier, what must be the value of a multiplier such that after multiplying this term with this, I have to get a value of 10,000. So, here I am having 100. So, if I am going to multiply with a multiplier whose value is equal to 100, then I will be getting this value. So, multiplier must be equal to 100 and the tolerance value is plus or minus 2%. So, this is the numerical value which corresponds to A, this is B, this is C, this is the multiplier, and this is a tolerance. So accordingly the color A will be equal to brown. So A value is equal to 1 and the color which corresponds to the numerical value 1 is equal to brown. So brown. B value is equal to 0. B value is equal to 0, then the color will be equal to black. C value is also equal to 0 and again the color is equal to black. Multiplier is equal to 100. Multiplier is 100, that is equal to red, and the tolerance value is 2%. Tolerance value is 2%, again the color is equal to red. So this is the color code of a given resistor which is having a resistance value of 10 kilo ohm plus or minus 2%. Clear? So these types of problems can be asked. They can give you the color codes and ask you to find out the resistance value, or the resistance value will be given and you have to find out the color code. Let us solve one more problem in which the resistance value is given and you have to find out the color code. Now I am having a resistor which is having 5 color bands and the resistance value of that resistor is 4.7 kilo ohm plus or minus 1%. 4.7 kilo ohm plus or minus 1%. So this is the problem, 4.7 kilo ohm plus or minus 1%. So they have already mentioned that it is a 5 color band resistor. So I have to use this formula. So 4.7 kilo ohm plus or minus 1% can be written as 4.7 into kilo, in the sense it is 10 to the power of 3 ohms plus or minus 1%. This 4.7 into 1000 can be written as 4700. 4700 ohm plus or minus 1%. So this is the resistance value what is given, 4700 ohms plus or minus 1%. So for this resistance value we have to find out the color code. So I have to use this formula, R is equal to 100 into A value must be equal to 4. So A value is equal to 4, then 10 into B value must be equal to 7, C value must be equal to 0. I am not having any other numerical after this 4 and 7. So C value will be equal to 0. Suppose if I was having 472, then the C value would be equal to 2. But here I am not having any numerical, that is 2, 3, 4 or 5. So I am writing the C value as 0. And for the multiplier, here 4, 7, here I am having 100 into 4 gives me 400 plus 10 into 7 gives me 70. So 400 plus 70 gives me 470. In order to get the value of 4700, in which I am having only 470, I have to multiply this with 10. Only then I will be getting a value of 4700. I am already having 470. If I multiply this with 10, then I will be getting a value of 4700. So multiplier value must be equal to 10. And the tolerance value they have already mentioned as plus or minus 1%. So this is A, this is B, this is C, this is a multiplier, and this is the tolerance value. Accordingly, the color code of A, which is having a numerical value of 4, is equal to yellow. So A must be having 4 and the color of that 4 is yellow. So accordingly, yellow is the first color. So the color corresponding to B, which is having a value of 7, B, which is having a value of 7, is equal to violet. So yellow, violet. And the color corresponding to C, which is having a value of 0, C having a value of 0, is equal to black. And a multiplier which is having a value of 10, multiplier having a value of 10 is equal to brown. And tolerance which is having a value of plus or minus 1%, that is equal to again brown. So this is the color code of the resistor, which is having a value of 4.7 kilo ohm, and the color code is yellow, violet, black, brown and brown. Like this, you can easily find out the resistance value of the given resistor if the color code is given or if the resistance value is given. I hope you are very much clear with today's topic. In my next session, I will be coming with a new topic. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.